Let's add these two fractions. I'm adding -3/11 and -5/22. To add two numbers with the same sign, we add their absolute values and attach that sign. So since we will be adding these fractions, we've got to have the same denominator. Let's take a moment and write each of these fractions as an equivalent fraction, but with the same denominator. Notice the LCD, least common denominator, is 22. So I'll take this first fraction, -3/11, and I know 11 times 2 gives a product of 22, so I'll multiply by 2 in the numerator. Remember, 2 over 2 is 1, so I'm essentially multiplying this fraction by 1 and not changing its value. And then I have plus -5/22. Let's see what we have then. We have negative. Now let's worry about 3/11 times 2 over 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Over 11 times 2 is 22, plus -5/22. Once again, how do you add two numbers with the same sign? You add their absolute values. What is the absolute value of -6/22? It is 6/22. And what is the absolute value of -5/22? It is 5/22. And what is that sum? That sum is 11/22. So let's write down this sum then. Once again, you add the absolute values. When you add the absolute values, you get 11/22, and then you attach that same sign. So the sum is -11/22, but notice 11/22 is not in simplest form. I can write this as -11 over, I'll write 22 as 11 times 2, and notice then you can see that common factor of 11. So I have -1 over 1 times 2, or 2. In simplest form then, it is -1/2.